Hello guys, this is Shrey Soni and you are watching SS Films.
And you thought he was cute before. Look at this peacoat, tell me he's broke.
So today in this video I am going to show you the ownership of my smartwatches. So let's start the video.
So the first smartwatch I am going to take is the black one smartwatch. This first one. I have bought this smartwatch in just around 500 to 600 rupees. The belt quality is pretty nice, but the screen you can see it's very messy. The belt you can see I'm twisting it. It is a silicone belt, but the display is not so nice. You can see the dust particles. The belt is elastic type material. You can see that how I am twisting it and folding the belt. It doesn't get any damages. The back panel has nothing, but it has one microphone. You can see that. You can see the microphone behind it. You can also see a power button for on and off and the multi switch. You can see the speaker, and the middle one is the charging port and the right one is the microphone. Now coming to the Alcatel smartwatch, it is a health watch. Its budget is around 7,000 to 15,000 rupees. So if you want to buy a budget smartwatch for show off, then you can take the black one smartwatch. It has adjustable wristband. You can see the adjustable wristband. It comes with the heart rate sensor, a pedometer and a sleep rate sensor. The charging port is given at the band. But the disadvantages of this charging port is it gets break from inside after 1 year. Now comparing about these two smartwatch, if you want to show off the public, then you can afford for a black one smartwatch that is for 500 to 600 rupees. But for the health purpose, if you want any smartwatch, then you can afford the white one Alcatel smartwatch. The link will be given in the description, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So please don't forget to subscribe and share to my channel, and also please comment for the next video. So coming to the next, it is not a smartwatch nor a health watch. It is the Android Wear. You can see the back panel. It has a magnetic charger. You can see the charging port. It gets cheeks properly. Coming to the bottom again, it has a SIM card tray. You can insert your SIM card. It's a 3G smartwatch with an Android 4.1. It also has a heart rate sensor. This smartwatch has a built-in memory of 8 GB and a RAM of 512 MB. You can see the back. The straps are not pretty good, but it's normal, such as leather. There is an antenna of black portion, and here also antenna of Wi-Fi and other networking. This is the speaker of the smartwatch. The display is not so good, but it's 400 by 400 pixels. Comparing with the Alcatel smartwatch, you can afford the Android Wear, but for the real health purpose you can take the Alcatel smartwatch as compared to the Kingwear KW98. Now comparing to these three, which one did you like? So please comment me at the bottom, and also comment me that which type of video would you like to see next. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel.